Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about my TCS Ninja interview experience which was on 10th of November. So if you received the mail that you are selected for the interview round and you haven't got the mail about the schedule, so don't worry because they will send just one day before the interview, because in my case that was just 12 hours before my interview. Here it is interview, not exam. So yeah, so in my case they sent the mail just 12 hours before my interview. So if you receive the mail that you are selected and you haven't received the mail about schedule, so don't worry, because at any time you are going to get the mail about your schedule. So be prepared with your interview preparations. So let's discuss about the things that happened with me. So make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon below to get an update about new career related videos. So first of all, I'm going to discuss about some key points. So there were three interviewers who were there, and the interview was on team application. Some of my friends were given on the WebEx, so they are using either TeamApp or WebEx. And the when I joined the interview using the mail that they had given, so I was thinking about when it will start. I was just looking on my desktop, and then all of a sudden three persons appear on the screen. So if you are connected in your time slot, so just be ready at any time in the time slot they can start the interview. So my interview was 20 minutes long, so you can understand it is not that hard, just 20 minutes, in which they ask technical as well as HR and MR round questions. And yeah, many people had that doubt that TR, HR and MR round are going to happen at same time or not. So yes, in this year they are taking all rounds at the same time. So yeah, interview was in this step. First of all, they said to me about they said me that tell me about yourself. They are doing they I mean, this is the common question in all the interviews. So make sure you prepare best intro for yourself and just mention your skills and projects in that intro, so that they can ask the questions inside from your projects and skills. And make sure you describe the software aspect of your project, because TCS is a software company. So if you are from non CSIT background, then discuss the software aspect of your project. So they will ask questions from them from that part of your project. Okay, so the first technical question that was asked to me was, what is difference between tuple and dictionary? As I was mentioned, Python is my programming language that I know. So they asked this question. So if you have mentioned Python as your programming language, you can expect that question. And many of my friends, that was like they are asking question about Python data types, like what is a list, tuple, dictionary, and all that. So be prepared with that thing. And next we have, yeah, so as I said, I mentioned my project, and in my project machine learning was the key thing. So they asked these questions. This is all on the machine learning. So if you have any technology, if you had any skill like web development and all, and machine learning, or big data and all that thing, then you prepare that skill, so you can expect question from that technology. So as I mentioned machine learning there, these are few questions that were asked to me. The first one was what is the supervised and unsupervised learning, and name the algorithms that were used in the supervised and unsupervised learning. And one question was classification is which kind of algorithm, supervised or unsupervised. So and then they ask about what is the difference between classification and regression, what is unstructured data. And this one question, how you prepare data for machine learning model. So that they ask and I given them the answer like we divide the data into testing data uh, and training data and all that. I given the answer. As we all know, as we all machine learning students know, I given them the answer. And then interview said that the data preparation is also known as vectorization. So that term was used by him. So you can also use that term. And yeah, and they ask about the Python libraries like pandas, and sklearn and tensorflow and all that. So if you know the basics of this library and numpy and all that, then you can discuss about that also. And then they ask what is data cleaning. This is also machine learning question. So these were the few questions that was asked to me. And then in the next, yeah, then ma'am, she was HR, she asked to me few questions like what do you know about TCS, why you want to join TCS, do you have any backlogs. These were three questions from them, and these all are the basic questions. So you prepare 3 to 4 lines on each of them. No, the last question, do you have any backlogs, this can be asked in yes or no. It is a basic question. Other two questions like what do you know about TCS and why you want to join TCS, just prepare 3 or 4 lines about these questions. And then yeah, in the MR round they said describe your project, do you have any problem in relocation, and all that basic questions. And in the end she asked, do you have any question for me. So that was all in my interview. Thanks for watching.